Yes, this is Rami from Rami's Life, and today I'm here showing you guys my new Erin Condren budget book. So, without, I'm sorry, I'm having some little difficulties here. I had to get something propped up. I'm in a very small space, and I want to show you guys what I got. So, this right here is the book. I hope you guys can see this. This is the book I'm using right now. It's just a notebook, like a plain notebook from Target, and I'm just gonna use an empty page. Right here on the top, you can see it has the months, the different months and stuff of the year, and I just normally just break it down. Got an empty one. I'll break it down like this. I hope you guys can see it well, by income and whatnot. And I put in there the income, the amount that's going to my sinking funds, and how much I got to pay for each bill. So this helped me before I put it on Excel or what I need to do with this. Like I say, it's just a plain old notebook. So I got my envelope yesterday from Miss Erin Condren. This is the beauty. This is so pretty, y'all. Got the little, I don't know how you call these little things, but they are so cute. So I have some stickers first. They were like about $2.99. These little stickers that can help me. I'm very visual, so these stickers can help me to get stuff set up. Let's see. So let me open it up. It has 2 sheets of stickers in here. Is it 2? Yeah. And this is what it has right here. I think I can work with this for now. I'm planning to get the deluxe planner, but it will be for my everyday life, and I can also have an idea of my expenses and all the stuff. So that's that. I also have right here, kind of like a little wet welcome package to say happy everything. And I apologize, the sunlight is playing with me. Let me see, I'm trying to use natural light, but it's getting dark, like it's getting ready to rain. Can you get the light up, please? So I also say happy everything. This right here, with love, happy day, and enjoy. It's part of their welcome package. And also has, yeah, these are stickers. These are little stickers that they have right here as well. On their little, they are just a longer, as you can see, they are longer and bigger than the normal thing, and this were extra. They came with it. So we're gonna, that's part of their welcome package. I didn't have a big order. This was just $17 plus a $10 off, how do you call that, $10 off link that I used from one of the ladies that I know, that I follow on YouTube. And by the way, this is not a sponsor. I pay this with my money. And the beauty of the hour is the Petite Planner Budget Book. So right here we have the book, and it says the best things to get things done is to begin. And that's true. You gotta begin. So it tells you right here, you know, I say welcome page that tell you like this book belongs to so and so. This right here is a savings tracker. So if you're saving by month, how much did you save, how much it was deposited, what are you saving for, that you can have a clear idea of what you're going to be doing with these savings and where your goal is at. This is a spending summary. So you have right here the date, description, category, and total of what you spend. So we're going to start using it for the June budget. This is also for June. I don't spend that much, so this is gonna necessarily, I don't need that many pages, but I don't spend that much money. the month at glance. So I've seen some people that they use these bubbles right here for their income, and right here the upcoming purchases, upcoming bills, your saving goals. Right here we have the income total, the savings in general, any emergency savings, any money that you put towards retirement and your separate time, mortgage or rent, insurance, maintenance, groceries, dining out, coffee, and the normal bill utilities like gas, phone, water, um, like cable, internet, electricity, any streaming services like Netflix, Hulu. I don't have none of that. My sister paid for all the stuff, so we just use her stuff. We got here for personal care, like hair, nails, the gym, if you have gym, for pets, child care, all that stuff. Entertainment, like you go to the movies, for vacations, hobbies, uh, auto for the car maintenance, insurance, the gas, medical for your medical insurance if you pay for that separate, for any co-pays that you might have to pay, and others right here is just for that part. If you have any like unexpected bills, you can add it here. Personal debt, a student loan debt, your total income, the total expenses, the difference from both of them, and your total savings. Let's see, I'm sorry, I'm trying to. So right here we got another spending summary, and once again we come to another month. The bubbles are for the income. That's what I normally see people to do than that, and pretty much the same layout all throughout. And at the end we have right here also, it comes with a page of stickers, so you can use these for your bills and whatnot. If you go to the Erin Condren website, she shows in there how it's normally used, this type of the Petite budget notebook, what you use it for. This is very purse friendly, so I can use this in my purse and it's not bulky, and I can add anything or switch anything or around before I put it in Excel. So this is what it's this for, and this was only $17 altogether, and that's what I ended up doing. I purchased this for my I ended up purchasing this for my budget. I hope everybody enjoyed this video, and give it a thumbs up, and please share and subscribe. And a disclaimer, I'm not a financial guru, I'm not an Excel whiz, and I'm not a sponsor in this video. I hope everybody have a good day and a good Saturday. I'm filming this on Saturday, so I hope everybody have a great day.